Here I have a Vauxhall Astra J. I am changing the brake pads and the disc. Firstly, what to do is get all of these, well, you have caps on top of here usually, so you take the caps off and you want to remove the tire. As you can see, I'm taking the tire off. Hardly anything left on that, and the discs are worn. So what you want to do firstly is get behind here and loosen up this. Also this will have to be done with a spanner. What you want to do is obviously loosen this, and then this will come off. That's a bolt holding all of this in, and then basically this should come off. Only this. Then you can take the pads out, and then obviously we'll get to the next bit shortly. So basically what I've done is I've used a 18mm socket. I've loosened this. As you can see, this is all free now, so I just want to rewind this backwards and get it off. So that sits on the floor like that. Now easily, well, not easily, you want to put something behind there and pull this backwards and it should come off. If not, try to put your screwdriver in between here. Well, I would do the other side, push it out, then remove this. Obviously I will go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back to you guys. Just a quick tip, make sure your handbrake is off, otherwise they will be holding on and you'll be fighting for ages and it won't be coming off anytime soon. So make sure your handbrake is off. Once you have it off, if you're changing the discs, you're gonna have to take this big bolt here, which is let me just quickly have a look. It is a 16, so there's one at the top and there's gonna be one underneath, so you want to take them two off and all of this will come off. Okay, but firstly obviously take these out. As you can have removed that, the old metal pieces need to be changed, and then here we go back to this. What you want to do after that is you've got that off. Now you just want to get that hex out and then hit it with a hammer. From one end it will stick out eventually, and just pull it off and get the new one in. Let's do that. So do whatever you did first backwards and it'll look like this more or less. It'll be brand new again, and you got fresh pads, fresh disc. As it's raining, so I just done it quickly. Started to rain, proper cloudy. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.